Hi, good morning. Welcome to Comprehensive Stress Management. My name is Tana Arnold, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I wanted to do just a really quick video to show you a little bit about the course, kind of introduce you to it. I'm attempting to make it a little bit more personable since it is an online class. As you can see here, when you open the class, you'll see our Get Starting module or Getting Started module. And then it goes into week 1, week 2, and week 3. This was originally in an 8-week class. It is a 3-credit-hour class that's been condensed into 3 weeks. So essentially what that means is there is a lot of work in a short amount of time. So it would be a really great idea for you to start right away and try to stay on top of the deadlines as much as possible. Inside the syllabus is everything you need to know about the class and the policies. One of the most important things on it is how to get a hold of me in my virtual office hours. I will be available to you through Zoom. If you're not familiar with Zoom, please send me an email and I'll try my best to walk you through it. But it's just an app you can download. It's free through K-State. This PMI will connect you directly to me, and here are the office hours that I am available. On Monday and Wednesday, 2 to 4, and Tuesday and Thursday, 9 to 11, or by appointment, whatever you need. At the bottom of the syllabus are 2 different ways of looking at the coursework. There's a table format. The top of the week are some of the week-long activities. And then inside the modules, you'll see the individual things that are due for those modules. Again, it'll be very important that you stay on top of the different activities. And at the very bottom is a calendar that shows the due dates. Mostly your Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays are free. There is a poll that I want you all to complete. I originally had the quiz 3 due on Saturday, but when I collaborated with a couple of other faculty members, they suggested I move it to Friday. I'm hesitant to leave it on Friday because that means you have quizzes back-to-back days, and that could be very challenging with getting the readings done. So please go to the poll and tell me, are you fine with them on Fridays? Would you rather me move them to Saturdays? I want to hear from you and what's going to work best with your schedule. There's a 12-point syllabus quiz. It is due on Tuesday. This final paper is due the very last Friday of class. Go ahead and click on this Thinking Ahead, the final paper. It walks you through all the requirements. It gives you ideas. It's really important that you start thinking about that now so that you can get that done. There was originally 8 discussion boards for this class. I have condensed them into 3, and I'll show you what that looks like here in just a minute. But in order to get the best and get the most value out of discussion boards, this page will help walk you through what that's going to look like. It's really important that you do that. And here, or you read that. And here's the quiz 3 and 6 due date poll. These would be the only 2 dates that I would be able to move. But I just want to hear from you. Put your first and last name, please. And then tell me, keep them on Fridays. I want my Saturdays free. I don't want to have to worry about class. Or tell me, Saturday, I really want some more time to read those chapters. Or take the neutral option. Either day works for me. I can make it work. And then just hit submit, and that would be phenomenal. The earlier you can give me that feedback, the better. And then we jump into the course. Complete all the activities for modules 1, 2, and 3, and complete the discussion board. This activity long is an all-week-long activity. It's due on Friday. For the discussion boards, there are 3 questions. You need to answer 2 of them, and you need to do that by Thursday. By Sunday, you need to respond to 2 classmates inside each question. So you will have a total of 8 posts, 2 initial, 6 responses. If you have any question about what that looks like, please let me know. inside the week 1 discussion board, if you click on these 3 little dots over here and hit show rubric, you'll be able to see how I'm grading those and where those 30 points get broken down into. 8 points for your first question initial, 8 points for your second question initial, 8 points for the content of your 6 responses, and 6 points for timeliness. Because it is such a short class, it is very important that you do your initial post by Thursday so your classmates have something to respond to by Sunday. So that's why there's 6 points for the timeliness. And the response content that I'm looking for is found under the making the best of the discussion board posts, because we want to add to the value of the course. We want to add to the knowledge. So reading that will help guide you in what those responses need to look like. So there are those. And then you'll see the journals and the quizzes that are inside each module. And there's the quiz 3 that I'm open to moving a due date on. And then week 2 has the same layout. There's the activity log. There's the 3 discussion board posts that you'll choose 2 of, respond to 2 classmates on each for a total of 8. Module 4, 5, and 6. There's the second quiz that I'm willing to look at a due date change. And then week 3 is a little bit lighter. There's still an activity log that'll be due on Friday. There's only 2 questions. So you'll do 2 initial responses, and then you'll do 2 responses to 2 classmates. So there's fewer. There's 6 total instead of 8 total. Journal and a quiz, then a journal and the final paper, and then we're done. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email, tanaarnold@ksu.edu. I will be available through the virtual office hours on Zoom starting tomorrow. So feel free to sign on there. Tell me hi. Just trying to make it a little bit more personable if that's what you're looking for. I look forward to working and learning with all of you. Take care.